Okay, today I'm going to explain using about PowerPoint. Okay, so if you write in PowerPoint here beautiful slides, you may see. Okay, and then you can get slides. So here you can create as you like blank presentation or your already installed templates like this. You can choose as you like. If you want to use install templates, okay, you can download more things. So for me now I would like to use blank presentation. Okay, this is blank presentation. If you want to create new slide, you can click here Control and you can use also as a quick key. Here you can use so different slide layout. Okay, title, so title slide, title and contents, section headers, and also to contents, comparison contents, title only, blanks. These are ready-made layout you can create also. Okay, for example, I want to create a new slides. You can click here from the home tabs and then you can create blank slides, or if you want to use title and contents like this. Okay, this is called creating new slide, and then you can arrange your slides here. Okay, so this is creating new slide with desired layout. This called the layout, slide layout. Okay, and then you have to, you can click your presentation, your slide view here. So this is the slideshow view. If you want to do presentation, if you want to present in a seminar, you have to click this slideshow. So this is okay, you can also arrange here like this. Okay, so this is reading view to read your presentation. So and then you can, if you click here reading view, you can click escape, or you can click here normal views. This is the normal view. Okay, so now I hope you may understand how to create new slide from different layouts according to your desire, and I hope you may understand how to do slideshows and how to make your normal views and how to arrange your slide order. Okay, after that you can write, for example, so build PowerPoint. Okay, lastly, before you have to launch a software, you need to be familiar with the features of the software. So that means components of the software, components of PPT, so PowerPoint. Okay, here's very similar to the Microsoft Word, because this is Microsoft Office. Okay, so file text, so this normal file text you can also save as. Okay, this normal, and then home tabs. In the home tabs, slides, new slides, this is the slide pause and font pause. If you write something, this font pause edit. If you don't write, this font pause not edit. Also font and paragraph, so you need to click. Okay, if you click this okay, this title and contents, you can write directly, easily, and also you can edit your font size. For example, font size. Okay, if you want to edit, you can select only this. So that means you can select only this. If you click the whole font, this means your cursor is here. So if you click the border of this dashboard, if you click here, this is ready to edit the fonts, ready to edit all the letters, so ready to edit the whole dash. So for example, now you are editing this all these size words. Okay, if I want to edit the whole pouch, you have to select this, slash the borders, slash the whole pouch, and then you can edit. For example, I edit like this. So okay, you may see the difference between sliding only one words and sliding the whole pouch. This is only one word sliding, so this is one word sliding, this is the whole pouch sliding. If you click here the borderline of the dashboard, you can edit for the whole. So for example, this is the whole pouch. Okay, this is editing two method. If you want to edit only one word, you have to select inside the dashboard. If you want to edit the whole letter or the whole sentence, the whole pouch, you need to click this borderline. Okay, and then you can edit as you like. For example, you can edit as you like, you can do like this. Okay, so and also this is editing for one word of the whole dash. Okay, the whole dashboard. This is okay. I write now cursor is here, so I can write for year 9 learners. This means okay, and then if I want to edit this year 9 font bold, that means just only specific words. Okay, if I want to change the whole, okay, so I need to click this portal of this dashboard. So I need to click left click, single click, so and then I can select, I can edit like this. That means editing specific words and the whole box. Okay, well, I hope you may understand how to create new slides as according to your desired layout. Okay, and then how to write and how to edit your fonts, and also your paragraph you can edit as you like. For example, if you want to edit like this, you can edit. That means the whole, so you can edit as you like. You can edit as you like this. You can edit. Okay, font editing, paragraph editing. So that's very similar to Microsoft Word. So okay, now these slides are ready to lay out. So these slides are ready to write. These slides also ready to write. Okay, this slide also ready to write because I've chosen so this title and contents, so you just need to write directly. If you choose the blanks, this is the blanks, you cannot get directly the dashboard, so you need to use dashboard to write something, to write a letter or sentence or words. So if you choose this blank layout, you need to choose this dashboard. Okay, and then you need to drag and draw by left click, and then you can write, for example, using the dashboard in blank layout, layout. That means using blank layout. Okay. Okay, after that, I hope you want to change some background, so you can change your background here. You can change, so this is the white background, so you can change. If you want to change, please right click and then format background here. So you may see the format background color. Okay, for example, if you want to change like this, you can change. So there's a solid color, you can add the gradient effect. So like this gradient effect you can adjust like this. Okay, you can adjust. Okay, and also you can use texture style. Okay, this is the texture style. Okay, that's me changing the background. And also you can use okay, and also you can use so design. You can use one of the design thing. For example, if you want to use this, okay, that means okay, this is for the title slides, so ready to use, and this is so other slides. Okay, if when you use, you can choose as you like, or you can define one by one background, or also you can use your themes. Okay, from the design tab, this is design tabs, you can change as you like. This is design tabs, and also you can change your design. Okay, like this. And that means your slide background, your slide themes, or slide design, you can change as you like. And also you can adjust your slide size. For me, I like this 16, 19. If you want to change for 3 aspect ratio, you can change maximize or fit or maximize. So like this, that's means changing to your slide size. Okay, for me, I like wide screens, so I change this type. Okay, so up to now you may understand how to use different layouts to create new slides, and also I hope you may understand how to change your your slide background, and how to use design, and also how to change your slides size. Okay, according to your, so you can change as you like. Okay, so and then I hope you may understand how to edit your font style, only one word or the whole box, by clicking the dash box borderline, and by clicking inside the dashboard and clicking one word. Okay, if you want to select one word, you can click 2 times, double clicks. If you want to select the whole sentence, you can use triple clicks. If you click triple times, you can select easily. Okay, so I hope you may understand how to use new slides, how to use different layouts. Okay, if you use blank layout, you have to use dashboard to right here, dashboard to right. This is that dashboard. This is ready to right dashboard. Ready, you can add your title. Okay, this is called creating new slide and changing your slide themes or slide background, and editing your font size or your paragraph. Okay, in specific words of the whole dashboard. Okay, thanks for watching.